good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are you all doing? Are we all doing right? Yeah? You sure? Alright, that's good. Today is day 5 of my advent calendars. 3 advent calendars. I've got the Twinings Tea advent calendar that was kindly given to me by Pink Poodle, who's here on YouTube, so go and check her out. I've got the Liberty London advent calendar and I've also got the Selfridges advent calendar. So shall we go ahead and start to open? Oh, and I'm currently drinking the tea from yesterday. So yesterday was the one called Glow and it had strawberries and aloe vera and stuff in it. So I've got that here. For some reason, I am really cold today. So I'm just like, yeah, I don't know. Check the radiators in the house, they're all on. It's just me. I'm just really cold today. So yeah, here we go. I think it's because I haven't gone anywhere. I've been at home. I've been working at home today, so I haven't done much moving around. It's been a very sitting down, keyboardy kind of day. So I think it's just because I haven't moved. I haven't done any exercise or anything. Anyway, where are we? We're gonna do Twinings. We're gonna do day 5. So let's find my day 5. I can't see it. Can you all see it? I can't. Right, where is it? Day 5, day 5, day 5. That's 23. That's 3. Oh, wait a minute. Did I miss day 3? Oh no, that's day 5. God, you know what? I was thinking I've missed day 3. But that is a 5, isn't it? Please tell me that is a 5, isn't it? Right, let's open this up. How do you open it? Yeah, that's definitely a 5. Right, what we got? We have got day 5 is, let's have a look. Day 5 is Cleanse Matcha. And it's got fennel. Did I see fennel in there? It's got fennel with green tea, lemon and... Right, so it's Cleanse Matcha with green tea, lemon and fennel. That should be interesting. Fennel's the one with that kind of licorice kind of taste, isn't it? It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting. So I'll probably have that tomorrow. We will see. All right. Liberty London. Let's do you. All right. So, oh God. Yeah, I'm definitely weak today because now this is rain feels heavy to me. And it wasn't this that felt heavy. It was the Selfridges one. So yeah, I'm definitely not doing great today. Right, cold. I might have to go and do some running on the spot or something when I finish this. Just warm up. Right, day 5 of the Liberty London. Let's find you. 3, I've done 17, 25, 22, 10, 6, 12, 5. Right, you know you feel like you're going mad sometimes. Day 5 right here at the bottom feels very light. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, could that be a lipstick? Could that be a lipstick? Okay, let's have a look. It's got a bit of weight, but everything's got a bit of weight to me today. This is from... Right, it looks like it's a lipstick, Mulberry, so the colour's going to be good, but I'm trying to see the brand. The brand is... What's the brand? I can't tell the brand, guys. What's that say? Oh, can you see it? Trish McAvoy? Trish McAvoy. Never heard of that brand. So I'm assuming it's some kind of high-end brand I've never heard of. So it is from Trish McAvoy and it is distributed by Trish McAvoy Limited. Oh, it's New York, London and Dublin. Mulberry Sheer Lip Colour. Well, the colour should be, as I said, should be... Ooh. Ooh! Girl! Man, that looks kind of gorgeous. So I wonder how sheer that is. Oh, wow. All right, I've got to... Come on now. Okay, it is sheer. Oh, it's like a balm. Oh, baby. All right, I need to put this on. I've got on... What have I got on? I've got sort of the 1999 lip colour. It's like a pencil. It's like a universal pencil. So I've got that on as, I use it as a lip liner. So I've got that one as a lip liner, and the gloss I've got on is, I can't remember, who's the gloss? It's like a brown coloured gloss, and I'm trying to think of the brand. No, I'll tell you what it is. It's Rare Beauty. It's the, because it's the orangey colour. I've got it in my pocket. Yeah, man. It's Rare Beauty. And I've got this on in colour Joy. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing at the moment, but it's now coming off because I've got to put this one on. Oh, right. Okay. Okay, because I want to leave a little bit of the lip liner on still. Okay, just going to bring you in because I said it's sheer, so I probably need to come in a bit. Yep, this is right down my street. It is, it's very sheer. It just gives me a hint of colour, but it feels really nice. It's moisturising. Yeah. Yeah. It's not much of a colour payoff, and it's almost got like a minty kind of feel to it as well. I think it's coming from that. I'm sure it's not coming from the wipe. It's got a kind of minty feel. How does that look? Looks alright, isn't it? It's the kind of thing I would wear. So this for me is messages. Sorry, me and my sister have been talking all day about food shopping for Christmas. But yes, yeah, this gives me, yeah, this is something I would wear every day. So I could see this going into my handbag very quickly. So yeah, that's a good day 5 for me. I don't know anything about the brand, so I will have a look and check the brand out later and put the information up on the screen. All right, let's get on to the Selfridges. I'm actually really looking forward to opening the Selfridges one. It hasn't let me down so far, so I'm looking forward to seeing what they've got for day 5. So let's go. Okay, so day 5 looks like it's going to be decent, and it sounds like one item again, so let's have a look. It is, it's one item. Oh, what's this? Oh, right, so this is that brand Gisou. I never know how to pronounce it. Gisou, and it is a, oh, it's a hair oil, a honey infused hair oil. Okay, baby, infused hair oil. All right, that'll be interesting. I love a hair oil. I've got so many hair oils, so I don't know if this is like a hair oil just to give it glisten, or if it's got any other purpose. What does it say here? Our iconic, award-winning and best-selling honey-infused hair oil is a multi-purpose hair oil that is clinically proven to intensely hydrate, boost shine, and control frizz. So it's one of those controlling ones, just to make your hair look good. Enriched with Myrcella honey and bee garden oils. This oil is the key for the glossiest, strongest, and shiniest hair. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'll be honest, I tend not to use products like this in my hair just for shine, because that's not something I worry about. What I worry about with my hair is dryness and quality of my hair. So I want my hair just to be healthy, because I'm on so much medication and things like that. I tend to buy things like scalp oils to maintain my scalp health, and things just to help my growth, because the medication I have is notorious for thinning out hair and basically making people bald. So I do anything just to maintain the quality of my hair. So this is a product I may not keep. It's a lovely product, but I don't think I'm going to keep this. The more I think about it, the more I think I'm not going to keep it. So interesting one. So let's go through my day 5. So day 5, from Twinings, I got this tea, which is a matcha cleanse with green tea, lemon and fennel. So that's all good. Loving this. It's just a sheer lip oil, sheer lip balm, I'm going to call it. it's nothing special, but it feels good, and it's the kind of thing I'm going to use and wear. So I'm very just interested to see how much it's going to cost. So if it's one of those high end ones, because I've never heard of the brand Trish McEvoy. So if any of you have, please let me know. I've never heard of this brand, but just the fact that it's in the just the fact that it's in the Selfridges advent calendar, I bet it's a high end brand. Almost bet on it that it's a high end brand. It's something I'm going to wear, so I'm not unhappy about it. And this, again, it's another high-end product, but it's not something that I personally would use. So I may be putting this somewhere. I'll have to think about where it's going to go and who might appreciate it. So we'll see. It may appear in someone's Christmas box from me at some point this year. But that's my day 5. One product, loving. One product I'm sort of going to try, I'm a bit wary of it, and that's the tea. And one product, even though it's lovely, I know I'm not going to use it. So day 5 is, but again, it's all good, isn't it? It's all good. This is the joy of advent calendars. All right, guys, thanks very much for watching. Please let me know what your day 5s are like. I'm always dying to know what they're like. I will see you soon. I'm going to see you very soon because my glossy box came today. So I'm going to do my Look Fantastic versus glossy box video right after this one. After I've had a bit of a tea. Alright guys, take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.